Good evening, everyone. We are live at 6:59, battling for Bill's A-Wing pilot. As seen here, it looks like a nice one. I got 100 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Copy list here. Paste them in here. 100 entries, fortunately. I'm going to pull this up a little bit. Just so we can see the bottom of the screen a little better. There we go. 100 entries. Going to roll the dice, see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 10er, so we are good to go. Let's take a look at that list here. There everybody is, all 100 of them. Let's get down to it. Good luck, guys and gals, perhaps. Andrew takes round 1 with number 95. Don, round 2. Michael takes round 3 with number 21. Don, round 4. Sven takes round 5. Willem, round 6. Joe takes round 7. Willem again on top in round 8. Wolfgang takes round number 9 with number 20. Bringing us, at long last, to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go, and our winner is Wolfgang, in at number 65. Congratulations, sir. That's how it's playing out. Here's the verification. We'll make it official. GIMRGT. Wolfgang's our champ, in at number 65. Now that that's all sorted out, I'm done at 7:01 p.m. Eastern Time. 7:01. One last time. Here's our winner, Wolfgang, in at number 65. There's a verification code one more time. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.